Welcome to our video introducing the 10-inch portable pie cupcake carrier. This versatile 3-in-1 round cupcake container and egg holder is perfect for all your baking and storage needs. Made of high-quality plastic material, this cake carrier is not only durable but also ensures that your stored foods are kept fresh and safe for your family and friends to enjoy. It is a more environmentally friendly option compared to paper cake carriers. Measuring at a bottom diameter of 10.6 inches and a lid diameter of 11.8 inches, this carrier can accommodate pies no more than 9.2 inches in diameter. The removable tray has a diameter of 10.8 inches and provides ample space for your cupcakes and eggs. Featuring collapsible handles and sturdy clamps, this carrier offers safe and easy transportation. The removable cupcake tray and egg tray allow for diversified storage options, and they are also easy to clean. This carrier is perfect for storing pie cakes, cupcakes, deviled eggs, and regular eggs. It's ideal for bakeries, grocery stores, and home use. The versatility of this carrier makes it suitable for various occasions such as catering events, church functions, bake sales, birthdays, picnics, parties, family events, BBQs, and more. You can even place it in the trunk of your car during travel and not worry about it sliding around. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before making a purchase. Product information. Product dimensions: 11.8 by 11.8 by 2.8 inches. Item weight: 1.35 pounds. 0.61 kilograms. ASIN: B00VCV5XR6. Item model number: 2025. Customer reviews: 4.7 out of 5 stars, based on 293 ratings. Best sellers rank: number 25,628 in kitchen and dining. Number 34 in cupcake carriers. Date first available: December 23, 2019. Number of sets: 1. Thank you for watching our video introducing the 10-inch portable pie cupcake carrier. Don't miss out on this convenient and versatile storage solution. Click on the short link in the description to purchase yours today.